Welcome to the Supper Club.
How about you, Mai? Like any dating challenges that you've had in the past?
I think for me, while I was dating, I think one of the biggest issue for me is that I feel like everybody is on dating apps. You feel like you have so many choices, and so you just want to keep going and find the next perfect guy. I think when you're young, you don't know what your type is, so you want to try out different types to see what's your fit. So I think for me, the challenge is that I always want to try out different types to find out which is my type. Yeah, I feel it's like a two-way street, right? You are filling out who is your type of guy, and maybe the other guy is trying who's my type of girl. That's why there's so many people in dating apps.
But you don't know what's your type.
I always hate people asking me that question because I don't really know my type.
During the process that you discover so many things about yourself, because from the dating, you can be, maybe I'm interested in soccer, I'm interested in basketball. That's why I kind of enjoy the process of dating, but that's also one of the challenges because I don't know when to stop.
So you don't know which sport you like. Basically, like ping pong?
Not ping pong, like
All the sports.
All the sports.
Still trying
I
out
like
different.
all full contact sports.
Still trying out different sports.
How do you know that what kind of sports you like? Because you have to play on the sports first. But I feel at the end of the day, it's also a lot about timing. If you're meeting this person at the right time, when you realize you enjoy playing basketball.
You know what you want, like you knows what she wants in a guy, but you're still figuring it out.
Yeah. So Yan, what's your type?
Do I have a checklist? Yes, I definitely do. I think someone just like me, like
Like
me,
a brother?
Yeah.
like new version of me.
Brother.
Like
But wouldn't it be too boring if you like the other guy was similar as you?
So I think if I found someone like me, I think it would be really troublesome. That we'll probably always be arguing because I want everything. Like I'm always right.
I think I will get along with myself. So
You sure you get along with yourself? Because I see you struggle sometimes.
I definitely do, but
Yeah.
it's like I think should be fine. You know.
As long as you get along with yourself, you can get along with a guy like similar
I
to you.
stuck with myself for like more than 30 years.
I would like to have someone like my dad. So we'll be like
Older than me, like 11 years older than me. 26 years older than me. Who can be my dad?
so we'll be like reliable and
I've dated guys who's 7 years younger than me.
responsible and
Someone like me who's so smart and active,
active, smart,
passionate of life.
funny. I hope he can enjoy food as much as I do, and he cannot really get fat from that.
But do you know what kind of girl you want?
Yeah.
So I think passion is pretty important for a person. And it could be the most boring or mundane type of passion, but as long as they're really into it and they can talk a lot about it and you get excited and you can see that sparkle in their eyes, I think that's probably the most important thing. You know, if you can see that person being so passionate about a subject, maybe, they can be passionate about me as well.
But do you want to share the passion with her? Because sometimes let's say I like eat a lot, right?
Yes.
And if the person he has his passion, let's say he like to read, I like reading too, but it's very personal thing you read on your sit there read on your own. And so how do you be part of it? Or
I don't think you need to be part of every single time. I mean, you guys can tell me, but I think there are some things that are solely someone you do yourself, and there's something that you share. You don't have to always share all your activities with your partner.
Food for me, if the guy doesn't eat pork,
Okay, that's it then. You got your thing, so at least you know, right?
Yes.
I don't really like guys more sensitive than because I'm pretty tomboy type.
I get really turned off when a guy doesn't offer or expect to pay on the first date at least.
Definitely not my types. People are really cheap. I really hate that.
If you've invited a girl out, then you need to foot the bill for that date.
It shows that they are not willing to invest even in the date. So how can I expect them to invest in a relationship?
It's representative of how they would treat you in the relationship.
I don't really like guys
Do not want to experience new things.
or shorter than I am.
So if this guy has no passion and he does not want to go out and or just like
Snobby, like think they are like everything.
so if I suggest, hey, I want to go to a corn maze, and he's like, oh no, what's a corn maze?
So I don't really give shit about a lot of stuff. But if the guy gives shit about a lot of stuff, it's just like,
I hate guys have mirror selfies. I just hate them.
I agree. I think there is a part in your dating life when you have to try things out to see what you don't want. People just, they keep dating the same person over and over again. And the same thing keeps happening and they wonder why. And it's because they're not aware, they're not intellectually honest with themselves about what they actually really, really want for themselves. I think that we ultimately always end up dating people who are like us. Oftentimes something we run away from because we think we want something fresh and exciting and different from who we are. But what works in the long run is someone who is more similar to us than we like to admit.